down Virginia or not, but I'm going to start holding it down. I don't see you 51.
Hey, come on in here, 51, right back to my friend in Arkansas. Sounding good. If I can get it back, 5-1, right back with that big old weight.
Hey, 51, it sure has been a while since I got to move it down to you. On Christmas, and hope you have a super fun New Year's. Hey, 51, you'll pull it out in a race if they got down. I'll see you.
Hey, Coon Dog, glad you give me a shout there. Hope you and the family had a great Christmas, and we sure hope the new year was even better than the last one. Hey, Coon Dog, you got her sounding good like always. Hey, we don't get on there much, but we make noise when we do. Hey, Coon Dog, good evening, my friend. 51, sitting back with this cup of milk.
Hey, 51, I appreciate you taking the time to bump it down. Let me know if they still working around the east side. Hey, 51, say what a good time again around the wall. Since I did say hello to Joe. Hey, 51, ain't nobody but Coon Dog on this whole famous Motel Device last night. I'll see you, bye.
Bye, Coon Dog. You and the family have a fine evening there. Catch you a little later when old Mother Nature hang in there and let us. Hey, Coon Dog, take care of my friend. 51, back out of the way.
My friend, what all right there, belated Christmas Day. I didn't get there the doctor of Christmas Day, but then a belated Christmas Day and a wonderful New Year.
Hey, Coon Dog, tell old man 42, 5-1 on this other side of Virginia. Wave this way, I'm out of the way.
And I'm going on